Hello guys, welcome to the series of JavaScript array method. So in this video we are going to learn the filter method. So filter method basically create an array filled with all array element that passed taste. Basically in a filter method we provide a function which passed some specific test scenario, then it will return the filtered element. So this is the basic syntax of filter array.filter, and the function which we are going to pass current value index array and this value and this value. So value is the like a value of your current element. This will be the current value basically, and index is an optional. So it could be your array index of current element, and the third parameter array, it is also optional array object on the current element belong to, and this value is also optional, in which a value to be passed to the function to be used as this value. If this parameter is empty, the value will be undefined, will be passed as at this value. So, and the key point for filter method is like a filter method does not execute the function for array elements without value. Filter does not change the original array. So this is all about filter method in a JavaScript. Now we will see some example in our VS Code. Okay, so I will create one file, filter method. First, I will show you a basic example of filter method. So suppose we have some age array. So we are adding one function to taking the adult, which are all the adult basically. So it will accept age. So since we are using arrow function, we can return in the same line without using the return keyword. So for adult, it is an age greater than or equal to 18. Okay. Now we will console log. So age dot filter, and we will pass this function check adult. Okay. Now in index.html, we will update the file name here. So it will be a filter. Now we will see the result. So yes, we have got all the adult ages like 18, 13, 40, and this value it's got filtered out basically. So this is one of the basic example of filter. Now we will see another example. Suppose I will copy this array. So in this filter, I will show you different example. Okay, so we have a sport. Okay, let's remove one. So basically, I want array whose word greater than 6. Okay, so if means the case will be not there. So how we can get this? So this filtered and word dot length greater than 6. So we want array whether I mean of what greater than 6. So we will get cricket, football, hockey, badminton, tennis. Yeah. So we'll console log the result. Okay. Now we will see the output. So we got cricket, football, badminton. Sorry, we have given the greater than 6. So this will also get eliminated. If you give equal to 6, then we will get those value. So like this way we can filter out array. So this is the another way we can filter out the array. Now suppose we need to check even odd also. So we can also do that. Suppose I have array 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want event number. So event number in this array is 2, 4, 6. So how we can get this value? So let's see num. So nums dot filter num num modulus equal to 0. Okay. So if you console log, you will get your even number. So now we got our even number 2, 4 and 6. Suppose we need to do some kind of search operation. So search operation we can also do this with the help of filter method. So suppose I have created one sports one. Okay, let's. So I have ball, bat, ball, kit, and shoes. Okay, so I am writing one function filter item. So filter item, and we will receive one query, and the first argument is array and the second one is a query because we are going to perform the searching. So we can uh, implement this logic with the help of filter method. So how we are going to write this one? So array dot filter element, basically short form, l dot to lower. So here we are using index of. So index of another JavaScript array method where we basically uh, check the element is present or not in a array. If it's present, then it will return the value of index. Otherwise, it will return the minus. We will we will also see this index of in couple of videos later. So index of query dot to lowercase. Okay, so this is the one, and we are checking. Okay, so we are performing kind of searching. So filtered item, we will pass this array sports, and suppose I am passing the BA only. So we will get the result bat and ball. So let's see, we are getting the bat and ball, and if you provide the exact key, I mean exact value, suppose I'm providing bat, so we will get only bat in array. Okay, so this way you can perform the searching also with the help of filter method. So I hope you have liked the concept of filter method in JavaScript. If you like this video, then press the like button and please subscribe this channel if you like the content of this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.